Today, we're adding a border or outline to a video in DaVinci Resolve. This is a versatile and customizable way to highlight your clips with a clean, creative touch. Let's get started. Start by adding your video to the timeline, open the effects library, navigate to Fusion Effects and locate the colored border effect, drag and drop it onto your clip. Once the effect is applied, select the clip and go to the Inspector panel. Switch to the Effects tab to customize the border settings. Here's what you can adjust: border width. Control the thickness of the border with this slider. Increase it for a bold, eye-catching frame or decrease it for a subtle outline. Corner radius. Adjust this slider to make the border corners rounded. A higher value gives a smoother, rounded look, while a lower value keeps the corners sharp. Color. Click on the color box to choose the perfect color for your border. You can match it to your video's theme or use contrasting tones to make it pop. The colored border fusion effect is simple yet powerful, and it allows you to frame your video creatively. And that's it. You've successfully added a border or outline to your video in DaVinci Resolve. Use this effect to make your clip stand out and add a polished look to your edits. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more DaVinci Resolve tips.